Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about Rehab Valuator. This software is you can get started for $1. Let's see what it's all about. You can test drive the real estate analysis, marketing, dollar raising, project management software used by thousands of investors around the country. Let's see what this software has to offer. For $1, you can try it out and see if you're looking to close more deals. It has a max offer calculator. That way you know what you're paying for a property. It got the sales comps. You got the deal analysis for wholesalers, deal analysis for rehab, rent, be able to rent, deal analysis for new development, full scale presentation for wholesalers, funds getting presentation, and the list goes on. Look at here on this side, we got instant owner property data, rental comps, fix and flip, the BRRRR. Let's see what else we got. Detailed scope of work for contractor. Check it out. You get a 14-day trial for $1. All right, peace.